bed. I'm always holding my own. Every time I turn around, it's something. People talking about what they don't do. And when I try to move on up, they're always pulling me down. I'm tired and I had enough. It's my life and I'm living it now. You don't look, you don't even know me. You say that I'm not living right. You don't understand me. So why do you love my life? You don't even know me. You say that I'm not living right. You don't understand me. So why do you love my life? Say that I'm you don't even know me, know me, know me, know me. Say that I'm you don't even know me, know me, know me, know me. I like